Have you ever heard of a ghost lake coming back to life? It sounds like something straight out of a sci-fi movie, right? Well, it's happening right now in California, and you won't believe the incredible story behind it. For over 130 years, Tulare Lake, once the largest body of freshwater west of the Mississippi River, had vanished from the map. But in the spring of 2023, nature pulled off a jaw-dropping comeback. Imagine this: a massive winter storm combined with melting snow from the Sierra Nevada mountains overwhelmed human-built drainage systems, and suddenly, a lake that had been forgotten for over a century resurfaced. Yes, you heard that right, Tulare Lake came back with a vengeance, flooding 94,000 acres of farmland. That's roughly the size of New York City, for context. Talk about nature reminding us who's really in charge, right? Now, why did this lake disappear in the first place? Well, it's a classic case of humans trying to control nature. In the 19th century, settlers diverted the water using canals and irrigation systems to turn the land into productive farmland. The result? The lake slowly dried up, displacing the Tachi-Yokut tribe and transforming what was once a thriving ecosystem into arid farmland. Ironically, the same systems built to harness nature's power ended up erasing the lake from existence. But did anyone really win in the end? And that brings us to today. Tulare Lake is back, and it's flooding farms that once grew crops like almonds, pistachios, and cotton. But here's the catch: while the return of the lake has disrupted local agriculture, it's also doing something incredible. It's reigniting the local ecosystem. Ducks, egrets, and frogs are flocking to the shores, and wetlands are coming back to life. Imagine the joy of seeing wildlife thriving again where it had once disappeared. It's like a scene from nature's greatest comeback story, and it's happening right now. It's proof that even when we think we have control, nature has the final say, and sometimes, that can be a beautiful thing. But hold on. The future of Tulare Lake is still up in the air. Could this be a once-in-a-lifetime event, or is the lake simply following a natural cycle? Experts warn that it might not last. It could disappear just as quickly as it came. It's like the ultimate cliffhanger in the story of this remarkable place. So, what does the future hold for Tulare Lake? Only time will tell. One thing is certain: we're witnessing nature's unpredictable power in action. And before you go, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. If you want more fascinating stories on the unexpected ways technology and nature collide, check out my next video. Trust me, you don't want to miss it.